My dear viewers, welcome to the Infinite Knowledge channel. Before we get into the topic, let we start with a quote. There are no secrets to success. It is a result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure. Let's we move to the topic, how to create web pages using HTML from scratch. If you want to create a web page, you have to know what is a World Wide Web, what is a website, what is HTML, why HTML is used, what is cascading style sheets, what are the web browsers used for displaying HTML files, what is the basic structure of HTML page. Here it goes like this. World Wide Web, also known as the web, it provides space for wide range of information like documents, content and videos. What is a website? A website is a collection of pages of information. You have to save the page in special format language known as HTML rather than as a normal document. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. With HTML, you can create your own website. Why hypertext? We move between web pages by clicking on hyperlinks, those bits of text which are normally in blue and underlined. A markup language is just a way of marking up text to specify that when the visitor on our site clicks on home, the visitor gets taken to the home page. The only type of information that web browsers are guaranteed to display are HTML files. For example, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, these are some of the web browsers that display HTML files. Any computer that has a permanent connection to the internet can be turned into a web server. Just install the necessary software which is easily available free of charge and the job is done. Before you start to create a website, you have to be clear in your mind what type of site you are creating, why you are creating this site. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which is a set of special codes that you embed in text to add formatting and linking information. HTML is based on standard generalized markup language for creating web pages. All HTML information begins with an open angle bracket and ends with a closing angle bracket. Here is an example as shown below. This tag tells an HTML interpreter that the document is written and marked up in standard HTML. Here is the structure of HTML page. The first line of each page must include a doctype identifier that defines the HTML version to which your page conforms. Doctype, it begins with an exclamation point. The purpose of the doctype is to tell validators and browsers which specification your page was written to. In this case, it is HTML file. HTML defines three tags: HTML, head and body. These three tags make up the basic skeleton of every page. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. What is cascading style sheet? Cascading style sheet is used to control the style and layout of multiple web pages all at once. With cascading style sheet, all formatting can be removed from the HTML document and stored in a separate file. Cascading style sheet gives you control of the layout without messing up the document content. Use Notepad or Notepad Plus to write an HTML program. I have used Notepad. After you create your HTML file, and save your file name with an extension of .html. For example, I have saved the file name as myfile.html, index.html, and you can use numbers to save your file name as 1.html. How to display the headings on a web page? Here is the program. I have saved the file name as 4.html. Most HTML elements consist of opening and closing tags, and they surround the text that they affect. The tags are enclosed in brackets. HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The body element contains the visible page content. The title element specifies a title for the document. H1 element defines a large heading. H2, heading 2 is smaller. H3, heading 3 is still smaller. The beginning tag turns on a feature, and the ending tag, which is preceded by a forward slash, turns it off. Comment line starts with a double forward slash. For example, I have used the comment lines. For example, heading 2 is smaller. I have commented using double forward slash. How to link to other sites? Here is the program that I have saved the file name as 6.html. The A tag indicates where the hyperlink starts, and the forward slash A tag indicates where it ends. Whatever text gets added inside this tag will work as a hyperlink. The URL for the link is ahref. Open the HTML file using Google Chrome. The text, which is in blue and underlined, is a hyperlink, and click on the link. It directs to the W3 Schools website. This is an HTML program which shows how to display an image, headings, paragraph, table, and a video. Create an image folder and save the images which you have to display on a web page. You can download the video on YouTube and save the video in a folder, and the image name is 13.jpg, which is saved in image folder. The image which I have saved in the images folder is 13.jpg. Now click on the Google Chrome and it displays . Right click and click on View Page Source. You can see the entire coding of the HTML program of 9.html, which displays an image, headings, paragraph, table, and video. HTML body style. Background color is sky blue, which is enclosed. The style is enclosed within double quotes. Center. The entire HTML program is aligned in center. Image source. The image name is 13.jpg, which is saved in images folder. The destination of the folder is images folder. H1. Welcome to Infinite Knowledge channel. H1 H1 is the heading, which is the largest heading. The P style font family Vardhana, color red, which is enclosed within double quotes. This is the paragraph 1. Paragraph 2, the P style equals font family times color purple, which is enclosed within double quotes. Learn HTML and CSS with Infinite Knowledge channel. This text is in times and purple. The P defines the paragraph. The element P defines the paragraph. The H1 defines the large headings. The P style font size 30 pixels. This text is 30 pixels high. It starts with P and ends with the tag /P. It is enclosed within angle brackets. If you want to create a table, use the table tag. Table defines a table. Table align equals center, which is enclosed within double quotes. Border equals 4, which is enclosed within double quotes. Width equals 400, which is enclosed within double quotes. TR defines a row in a table. TD defines a cell in a table. The TR starts with the TR tag and ends with the /TR tag, enclosed with angular brackets. And the list, if you want to display in list, use list li. If you want to unlist, replace the list li with ul. You are ending the cell in a table using /td and ending the row in a table using /tr. You are ending the table using /table. This is the source code of video display. Video width equals 300, which is enclosed within double quotes. Height equals 340, which is enclosed within double quotes. This is the source destination of the video. The video is saved in E drive, new folder. The type of video is MP4 and everything is aligned in the center using the center tag, and it ends with the program ends with the center tag, forward center tag, ends with the /body, ends with /HTML. Here you can see the program. Where image is displayed. Welcome to Infinite Knowledge channel. You can see the heading, H1 heading, which displays the large heading, and you can see the paragraph 1. This text is Vardhana in red, and second paragraph, learn HTML CSS with Infinite Knowledge channel, second paragraph, and third paragraph, this text is 30 pixels high, and you can see the table which is created using the list. If you want to unlist, use ul. If you want to list, use li. And the video is displayed here, and you can click on the video.
Shaun the sheep and his flock know every trick to having a good time. But things can get out of control very quickly.
speed up.
You can see the program. Everything is displayed. The image, table, paragraph, headings, videos, everything is displayed in this program. Thank you viewers for watching my channel. Have a colorful day. Keep smiling always. Happiness is the highest form of wealth. Signing off, Deepika.